Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to share files from your cloud storage directly through email. It only takes 6 simple steps, so let's get started. First, go ahead and launch your account, either through the web browser or mobile app, whichever you prefer. Now browse through your folders to find the file you'd like to share and select it with a click. You'll see a pop-up appear with several options. Look for the chain symbol, that's your link icon, and click it to copy a shareable link to your clipboard. With your link copied, head over to your email service. This works with any provider you use, whether that's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or another platform. In the body of your new email, simply paste that link you copied earlier. Your recipient will be able to access the file directly from there. If you'd like, include a quick message explaining what you're sharing, then hit send. That's all there is to it. Great work! You now know how to share your cloud files through email using a simple link. Feel free to run through this walkthrough again anytime you need a refresher.